Assalamualaikum for class. Last day we learned essentials of survival and their points are water, energy and oxygen. We learned water. Today we learn energy. Energy. What is energy? The capacity to do any work is called energy. Clear? Animals need energy so they can do all the things that they do. Animals have to take energy to do all the works. We also have to take energy to do all the works. Plants also need energy to grow up. So energy comes from the sun. You know that sun is the biggest source of energy. However, it is not direct sunlight or heat that gives us the energy we need. स्टूडेंट्स, हम डायरेक्टली सनलाइट से सारी एनर्जी नहीं लेते. वी हैव टू ईट वेजिटेबल्स, वी हैव टू ईट फूड, वी हैव टू ईट फ्रूट्स, वी हैव टू टेक एक्सरसाइज टू गेट energy. So energy is passed from one living thing to another living thing through food. Energy transfer from one living thing to another living thing with the help of food. जब हम फूड खाते हैं तो हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. इसी तरह से जब एनिमल्स प्लांट्स को खाते हैं तो वो एनर्जी हासिल करते हैं. प्लांट्स जो हैं वो अपनी एनर्जी ज़मीन में सॉइल से हासिल करते हैं क्योंकि ज़मीन के अंदर मिनरल्स होते हैं. दे take minerals from the soil and take the sunlight and get energy. Clear? Birds need energy to fly. Birds को fly करने के लिए energy की ज़रूरत होती है. Baby animals need energy to grow up. Energy helps repair damage to the body. Whenever we injured, we need energy to recover. You need energy so that you can run and jump and sing and dance and learn. From here we come to know that all the tasks in life we can done with the help of energy. If we have energy, we can do all the works. Clear? So, next page. A food chain shows us how energy is transferred through food. There is given a food chain. From this food chain we can come to know that how energy transfer from one point to another point. Sun is the biggest source of energy, so we can say that it's a energy. And grass take energy from sun, so they get directly energy. They can get energy directly from sun. Clear? Grasshopper take energy from eating grass. So energy transfer from sun to grass to grasshopper. Shrew eat this grasshopper and energy transfer from grasshopper to shrew. And all eat this shrew and transfer energy shrew to all. Clear? So the process start with plants. Process कहाँ से शुरू हुआ? Plants से. Plants ने directly energy ली sunlight से. So the plants are called producers. जिसने direct energy sunlight से ली वो producers होते हैं. So plants use sunlight as water and minerals from the ground to make their own energy. Plants are known as producers. Some animals get their energy directly from plants. They are known as primary consumers. कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे होते हैं जो इन प्लांट्स को डायरेक्ट खा जाते हैं. जस्ट लाइक ग्रासहॉपर, दे आर नाउन एज प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स. Some animals get their energy from animals that have eaten plants. They are known as secondary consumers. कुछ जानवर ऐसे होते हैं जो उन जानवरों को खा जाते हैं जो कि डायरेक्टली सनलाइट ले रहे होते हैं. जस्ट लाइक ग्रासहॉपर, श्यू ने ग्रासहॉपर को खा लिया तो श्यू क्या है? सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर्स. Some animals get their energy by eating secondary consumers. They are known as tertiary consumers. And when the all eat the stew that have eaten the secondary consumers, they are known as tertiary consumers. Clear? From this statement you can come to know that energy transfer from one to another to next to next. Yeah. So there are three types of consumers, four types. First one, producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Now the patch is here. Do you remember you have learned these in three class? Yes, in three class. Do you remember what carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores are? Carnivores are animals that only eat meat. Carnivores वो animals हैं जो just meat खाते हैं. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. Omnivores are animals that eat both meat and plants. So, open your notes. Look at question number 5. Why is energy important for an animal's survival? Answer is here. Question number 6. How do animals obtain this energy? Answer is here. Write the food chain. Come to the next page. Write a note on producers. Answer is here. Define primary consumers. Define secondary consumers. Define tertiary consumers. These are the questions that are related to your topic, so learn them carefully. Must learn the spelling also. Okay? Thank you.